option is one can have here. It is a place accessible to everyone to take a part. Having said that, now I would like to invite the proprietor of Home TV. He has really contributed a lot for this place and center of the library. And of course my team, Mr. Taha, Mustafa, the administrative team, and all the directors, and all the students. You know, I would just request this TV, hmraah, they can come in the center on the side so that the people who are watching us, they can have a good view of the people who are making this speech. So please, all the cameramen, they can have an unobstructed view. Please, please organize that. I was selected for the Pakistan Administrative Service. So these all students who are over there, they are the aspirants. They are not been selected just yet. They are going through the process of taking the exam, and then they will be finally selected. Jobs that the people want in the public sector. So, as you know and you understand better, our predecessors who have been